Hi everybody that's watching. Probably not a lot, but hi. Sugar Pine was so much fun, and I just wanted to say I miss everybody there. I have the identity photo of everybody in the camp on my wall, and I'm just gonna miss everybody there, especially the guy cabin. They were fun. Steven and Josh's cabin. I got pictures. Well, sort of. I drew them. I'm gonna miss Ben, Sam, Keenan, Josh, Sean, Nick, Nate, Christian, Jarek, Rex, Steven. That's it. And I guess the people are girls from our cabin too. But I know most of them that they live in my city, so anyway, I'm just gonna miss all of you, and I want you to comment and rate this video and watch it all the way through, and please, if you comment, say your favorite part of the camp. I think mine was probably paintball. I got hit 5 times. Thank you, Christian. I'm just kidding. No, and it hurts, but I loved it. It was pretty fun. And just say your favorite part of camp, or if you want to go. It's worth everything. Worth the drive, worth the money. It's really fun. And Nexus was like really good. Yeah. Okay, well,